Today I realized something funny. If you can stay calm even when food rolls past you on a baking tray, it means you are finally becoming an adult. Hi! I brought you a recipe that looks like complicated but pretty, but in reality it's ready-made dough and sesame, everything we love. Here's a question right at the door. Do you usually choose what's fast or what's beautiful? Today you'll choose both at the same time. Mini simit pizza is tiny edible circles of joy. But the most interesting part is the story. In Turkey, simit is the symbol of morning life. It's the smell of instable streets at 7 a.m. It's what people feed the seagulls with near the Bosphorus, and it's exactly what you'd buy in you need something cheap, warm and reliable. Simit was eaten by sultans, porters, students, women at the market. It was the bread that connected people. And today, we take the tradition and turn it into a mini pizza. That's what I call evolution. Ingredients: ready-made thin dough, the fastest option. Tomatoes, diced. Bell pepper, cheese, mozzarella, salugune or any hard cheese. Sausage, salami, if you want. Sesame, batter slightly toasted. A little water or honey water mixture. Everything is simple, but the taste feels more expensive than it seems. How to make it? Story in frames. Cut the dough into triangles. Ready-made dough is a gift from fate. Triangles take seconds to cut and look like you trained with Turkish bakers. I always like to remind myself, complicated dishes were often created not to be complicated, but to be convenient. Simit is no exception. Roll the triangle. Loosely, not tight. Imagine shaping a small roll that doesn't need to be perfect. There is a rule in Turkish cuisine. Beautiful is what's made with soul, not with a ruler. Connect the ends into a ring. This shape is what connects mini simit with real instable bagels. A circle is a symbol of infinity, wholeness, and convenience in holding it. Yes, every recipe has a practical reason to exist. Dip it in water. You just need stickiness so the sesame holds. It's an old baker's trick. Even in the Ottoman era, they moistened dough to make the grains stay. Cover it in a toasted sesame. Here's the magic. Sesame in Turkey isn't just decoration. It's the smell of street childhood, it's a sign of home wars, it's the cheapest way to make food feel richer. And, by the way, sesame contains more calcium than milk. A surprising twist. Place on the baking tray. At this point, they look like little bracelets. Thank the dough for cooperating. Press a hollow in the center. This is the most satisfying part. Press the center and the dough listens. I always check. Do you ever feel like food listens better than the people around you? I do. Add the filling. Tomatoes, pepper, cheese, sausage, the classics. But you can be bolder. Olives, corn, spinach, perfect too. Funny thing, the first mini pizzas didn't appear in Italy at all. But in Lebanon, from flatbreads topped with whatever was on hand, we are simply continuing the tradition of fast, smart dishes. Bake. 50-20 minutes at 180-190 degrees. The smell will tell you when it's ready. Seriously, the sesame starts smelling nutty and the cheese gently breezes upward. You get mini simits, crispy on the edges, soft inside, fragrant, golden, and honestly, insanely photogenic. This dish teaches one thing: beauty doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes the most expensive looking things are ready-made dough and a few good moves. If you want more recipes where tradition meets cleverness, come to my OnlyFans. That's where I show the real kitchen details, mistakes, test batches. And don't forget to follow my videos on IFTV. I love inspiring people who know how to enjoy simple but impressive things. Alright, I'm going to make tea for my mini simits. See you where the smell of sesame arrives before the camera has time to focus.